Alright, this will be the last part in this three-part series of making bookends. The first part was just making the carcass. The second part, I made these mid-century modern bookends. And then this last part, we're going to make some steampunk bookends. So if you want to see how I finish this steampunk bookends up, follow along. And I'll put a link in the description below of part 1 and part 2. So let's get building these steampunk bookends. Alright, on the second one I'm going to go a little bit different. I've got my two pieces here and I got two pieces of walnut. I'm going to go on there somehow. But one thing I always keep, I always look for old clocks, and I got a box of brass parts here. And I've picked some parts out and I've kind of made a design. Then I'll cut the walnut to fit on there. Let's see. Here's what I got so far. I got a big gear and a small gear. I've got a ratchet. And then I've got two wires. Kind of figure out what I want to do with them. I don't want to make it too big. I was thinking of putting two of these here. And putting that over top of that. Let's mess around and see what it looks like. Let's cut that out. We'll see what that looks like. Alright, we've got a design change. You know what that means, don't you? Anyway, I'll mix up a little two-part epoxy, a little two-part epoxy. Hopefully I got enough time. I want to put some into this crack along there. Maybe. I don't think that's going to work, but we'll try it. And we'll let that dry. Alright, let's see if we can put something together here. Don't want to go all the way through on that one. Alright, now got some screws here. We're ready to glue it up. Do the other side and glue it up. I clamped them up and then I put 2 coats of varnish on them. Lacquer, I'm sorry, spray lacquer. I put a light coat on first. Then I just put another coat on after that dried. I put lacquer over everything. I put lacquer over the brass and over the wood. And I just let that dry. And here's the finished product. You see the contemporary ones next to it, the mid-century moderns, and these are the steampunk ones. And they came out pretty nice. Here I have them on the table with some books. And that's the end of the Bookends. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll subscribe. I've got another project already started coming up. So if you don't want to miss it, hit that subscribe and notification button.